Hey guys, welcome back, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to archive chats on WhatsApp. Without further ado, let's get started. Now just head on and open up our WhatsApp application right here. And let's go to our settings page by clicking on the settings icon at the bottom right hand corner. And from here, let's click on this chats option right below the account option. So let's just click on that. And immediately you will see many options to change your chat wallpaper, to automatically save your photos and videos, to back up your chats, export your chats, keep your chats archived, and move chats to Android, and finally the archive all chats, which we're trying to do. So you can just simply archive your chats, all your chats with one click by clicking on this one. And then this window will pop up and you can just click on archive all if you want to confirm that decision. However, if you want to do this to only one chat, you can just go to chats page right here, and then you can see all your chats with your friends, and then focus on one conversation. You select conversation you want to archive, and then for example, I want to archive this, just press and hold on that specific conversation, and you should be able to see the option to archive. So just click on that if you want to do that. So that is how you can basically archive chats on WhatsApp. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today, and have a great day.